going on? I know it's been a while I haven't posted, but I've been going crazy with the parts. What I'm about to show you, I didn't film nothing because it wasn't like nothing special. I have some good parts coming in, and what I posted, well, to me the parts are special, but I didn't film it because I don't know, I was just kind of like in a hurry to get them on. I was too excited, and yeah, but these parts, to me, they're really good. It goes back to you know, the JDM Inspire. So let me guys show you what I got going on. I think now I have the car like how I want it to be, so I'm gonna start hitting the track. Just have some little issues here and there with the engine, but getting those fixed. As soon as those are fixed, I will start going to the track. But let's get on with the video. So the first thing, give me a sec. So the first thing that I did was install the spoon lip. Second thing was the spoon wing. Third thing, the racing mirrors from APR. So here's how my car looks now. I have a time lapse of me doing little things here and there, but I will post that, and here's how it looks now.
What are we doing here?
We're putting some
Felt?
for the sound, bro.
For vibration.
Yes. You got the words on my mouth.
Exactly.
You got something else.
Shit. Disclaimer, we're not gay.
Very.
We're very. This is bothering me.
Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome. Hey, hey. Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy. Comment down below, you know what song that is. My boy over here didn't know.
That shit's old, man. It's probably like from 2005. You're already in high school. Were you? 2005?
No, that was middle school.
I was in elementary in 2000. Oh, no. I wasn't. Yeah, you're fucking old. I was still in primary.
What you mean? I just graduated.
I was
high
still
school.
learning English, I think, at that time. No cap. I only spoke Spanish.
See, you're fucking me up.
This is on the side.
There it goes.
How many more left?
There it goes. Two more, you know what I'm saying? There you go. Damn. Do you know that? Do you know that song? You don't know it. You call like that.
break it or what? The mileage or what?
Huh?
Big break it or what?
A smaller pulley.
Oh, that's right. Sideways. Sideways.
Smaller pulley. Race car stuff.
You doing a lighter one or what?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
OEM from Japan.
They were lighter?
Yeah.
Really?
Like, it's on top. You can see it.
Hey, I think it's the same size. Good. It's just a little bit tinier, but this one. Let's see.
Ooh, time lapse. I like it.
Differences. That should fit. I just hit it with the gun. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving my car right now. So yeah, this is how the car looks. The spoon, lip, I love it. For the fact that it sits in the bottom, it makes the car look lower. I did have to raise up my car so I could fit everything good, because I was scraping my lip a lot. I raised it 1.5 inches all the way around, and this is how it sits. I don't think it looks bad at all. I actually like it better. This what I've been wanting. So I'm actually like really digging my car right now. Oh man, it looks so good. So I have the EK Vallejo bronze headlights. I have the spoon lip with the CR57. And here are the mirrors. Looks so good. Like the car. So I didn't get the EK APR mirrors. I have the EK block off, and I found these mirrors on OfferUp. These are the universal APR mirrors. So I'm like, you know what? I already had these block offs. I was gonna use them for other mirrors in the future, but these came along, so I decided to get them. But then in the future, I'm gonna have the other mirrors. But for now, these are awesome. And I only got them for $100, brand new in the box. And I got the plate, so I pretty much did like a little DIY and installing these mirrors. Well, I didn't do the DIY video, but this is how I did it. And it came out so good. It looks good. Here, and here's my spoon wing. Those are the only changes I did to my car so far. Looks so good. So with the spoon lip and the spoon wing, and now how I have my car sitting, I'm digging it. Really digging it. I am gonna paint my car or wrap my car. Let me know down below what you guys like to see. A full-on paint job inside and out, or just a wrap and then I'll paint the inside myself. But yeah, let me know down below, because we need to get this car looking good. After that, well, first thing is the engine, little miscellaneous parts, and then paint. So because I really want to start hitting the track, I'm gonna start hitting it like this, how it sits. It looks so good. The other thing, as you guys will see in the video, I installed the N9 crank pulley, which doesn't have the rivets for the AC and power steering, only for the alternator. So it's a lighter pulley. And in the rear, I did install the Hardrace lower control arms. Shout out to Type R Jose. He's the one that got me into those. He was selling them. So right before my camera decided to die, I was talking about Type R Jose. He got me those lower control arms. He was selling them at a deal, so I couldn't miss out. So I ended up getting them. So yeah, this is how my car sits now. So now for the slow-mos and everything. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.